Now we're going to come in here and clean up some of the details. As you can see here, we still got a little bit of this hand over here that we need to clean up, as well as some more of these bobble areas in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just get in my clone stamp tool by pressing S and then clicking here. And as we can see, what we're also doing is we're creating patterns here with this one here and this one here. And as you can see, this pattern here, these things just jump out at your eyes because they are patterns. And what we're going to do is we're going to erase these. We'll erase them in another section. But let's go ahead and clean some of this up right now. Just get as much of this out of here as possible. There we go, like so. And I don't care about that right there because we're going to have to replace that anyway. So let's go up here. And is there another section that goes that way? Not really. It's actually, let's Command Z and get back. We'll hit Alt here. We'll use this part to bring this right back over like so. Now, as you can see, this is going to be one of these times where it's going to look real funky, so we're going to try to grab here, finish painting like so. This is good enough right now. So we're going to need to create some more wrinkles over here to break this up. But as you can see, we're going pretty good here. Let's clean up this just a little bit, like so. There, that looks a bit cleaner. Not so noticeable. There we go. That's not too bad. Now let's clean up these wrinkles in this shirt. And to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to cut and copy this, flip it over here, and then merge these layers. So we'll do this in the next part.